Hey, welcome back into the garage. And what we've got today is a little short video on some orangey blingy bits for the 690. So let's go and take a look. So as with the crash bungs that I bought for the bike, I just thought, you know what, I've seen these on AliExpress. I'm going to purchase these, see what they're like. As you can see, the crash bungs that I bought on the rear and on the front there, they seemed of decent quality. So I thought, you know what, I'll buy these again. Clutch and brake reservoir, rear reservoir, I don't know what, ignition cover maybe? I'm not too sure exactly what you call that. And the like a puck for the side stand. The reservoir covers come with these screws. They're just a standard Phillips screw, where obviously the ones on the bike are Torx ones, so we'll get them out with my new Torx and Allen key tools. Yes. Here's a little tip for you. These Silka bags, you know, you get them in electronic packaging and all that kind of stuff, takes the moisture out of it. If in a garage like mine, you get a little bit of moisture building up, chuck them in with your tools. It saves them. Going like that, we're going to focus. Are we going to focus? Well, it saves your tools from getting a bit rusty. That is years old. So I keep all those silica bags in my tools, keep the moisture away. Robbie's little tip of the day. Right, let's go on with fitting these parts. Rear one, easy enough. Just get your fingers in there and then screw it. The seal's already on there, so. Easiest little mod you can do. So we do the clutch one, the clutch reservoir. These are Torx 20s. Should be wearing gloves really. The clutch fluid, but drop that gasket back down on there. Another brake one, just the same, T20, and screw it. This will be the same, it'll have a little gasket underneath, so we'll try and keep that in place. Yes, there it is. You're going to get a little drop of fluid coming out, just make sure you're quick on wiping it up. You don't want to leave brake. Well, brake and clutch fluid, they're the same thing. Nasty if you get it on your paintwork. That's that one done. Now we've got the ignition cover bolt. I'm thinking this is the ignition cover. So it's a bit of a beastie. Hopefully we won't get any oil come out. Oh wow, that was really, that was not tight. Expecting that to be quite tight. Got a little O-ring there, so we'll take that O-ring out. And this comes with an O-ring already on there. So I'll just put the bag over the socket so not to scratch the anodizing. That's all good. I'm always wary with stuff like this. That was not very tight at all. I'm always worried I'll end up over tightening it. And now for the little blingy side stand puck thing, whatever you want to call it. Comes with a couple of different thickness pads. So I suppose it depends on how thick the foot is. That goes in there, takes pretty slack. You undo this orange piece first, pop it in. I would have tried the thicker pad, pop it in there. So you got a little drain hole as well. That might be too much actually. Oh, we've got a little bit of slack there, haven't we? Side to side movement. Can't see that coming off. Well, it's not going to come off because the foot part of it is right underneath and it can't come out the back. So yeah, a little bit of side to side movement there. That's better. So I've just put the thinnest of the two sticky pads on there, and that's taken up that side to side slack. So obviously that's what it's for, so it's not wobbling around. So there we have it. Little extended side stand, bolt-on puck, orangey blingy ignition cover, bolt, and then the clutch and the brake reservoir. There's a nice little blingy bit of AliExpress on the 690. We'll see how they go. They may be rubbish, they may be good. We'll have to see. Next time it'll be a little bit of an update on the 1290. I don't know if you've seen my socials, but the revs were hanging on it. We now think we've diagnosed it to the oil pressure sensor stroke temperature switch or something along those lines. That could be the issue. Currently waiting on parts for that, so we'll have to see. Thanks for stopping by. As always, do the usual YouTube stuff. If you will, I really appreciate that. Take care and ride safe.